GCSE business exam tip, very quickly explaining how you answer the 6, 9 and 12 markers. Your 6 mark questions are your analyse or your discuss. How I like to do this is imagine them as 2 small 3 markers. Your answer needs to be in context. Have a paragraph structure. So I used to use PEAL, but I've heard a lot of good things about PLT, which is point, link to that business, and then a therefore. So point is your impact or your benefit, link to the business or evidence. How is this shown in this business? Why is it important for this business? Therefore, what will happen? What is the impact? What is the benefit? Just explain it. And then do this twice. Your 9 marker is a choice question. Only write about one of the options. State your belief at the beginning. I think that they should choose this option. And then I would do 2 paragraphs, each having the PEAL structure or the PLT structure, but on the end of it having a however. Why do you think that option's the best? Why is it the best for that business? What will it lead to? And then, however, the impact could be limited if, and then use some information from the extract. And then do that again. And then a very brief conclusion. And then your 12. This is your evaluate using your knowledge of business. Assess the importance of. You get to use more business theory, but make sure it's in context of the question. Use that extract. Again, I would aim for 2 paragraphs here, but they would just have more developed chains of analysis. So your explain in PEAL would be bigger, or your therefore in PLT would be bigger. With more, therefore this would happen, and then this would happen, and then this would happen. And this is why it's important to this business. And then think about it in context. Use something called MOPS, Market Objective Product Situation. They teach this at A level, but it's very applicable to GCSE too. As in, what market is the business operating in? What are they trying to do? What is their objective? It's usually to maximize profit. What product are they selling? Why is it important for that product? And situation, what situation is the business in? Do they need financing? What is happening to that business? Get all of this from the case study, and it forces you to use a case study. Your conclusion is very important in the 12 mark. In your conclusion, try and introduce your it depends on point. And if you stick to this structure, you will have enough time for each of these questions. Best of luck in your exam, and follow for more daily GCSE tips.